직원들이 한 여성이 상품을 숨기고 있다고 신고하자 경찰관들이 스포츠 용품점으로 출동했다. 현장에서 추궁을 받자 그녀는 관련을 부인하며 허위 정보를 제공했으나 경찰관들은 숨겨진 물품을 신속히 발견하고 그녀를 체포했다.
What was it?
So, when Jake opened the beer for her, he looked, her bag was open-ish, I guess, and he saw stuff in her bag.
The purse?
Yes.
So, but we don't know though at all. Is there any?
He might have gotten it on video, I don't know. He went to
What kind of stuff would it be?
men's Nike clothing, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
Did you have it on video?
Hold on, Sam 1518, check out.
I'm okay. Like what kind of stuff would it be?
It's in the men's Nike section.
Shirts or
He
pants
probably
or
tell you, I'm not sure.
shoes? Okay, let me go out here and I'll talk to her when I get up when she gets out.
She didn't check out that. She's walking that way.
Yeah, but did she buy what you guys were saying she had in her purse?
Her card kept declining.
Okay. Jeans, brown shirt, sunglasses, big black purse. We're going through, looks like she's going through Dillard's now.
Which entrance she come in?
From the mall area, second floor. We're up here by the women's clothing. Not gonna be jeans, they're kind of a blue yoga pants.
You guys do have charges on her?
Unknown at this time. The store said that she had a bunch of merchandise in her purse.
Over 1548, put me on 1544 stop.
Hey, hon, come here for a minute. I'll come down with you. So you have to walk back up.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm good.
I'll talk to you at the bottom.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So you do have the female?
For what?
Alright, where was the male at?
This is crazy. I'm a different. You're telling me I'm a different. I don't know. One second. I really don't have to. I don't have to talk to nobody. So I'm.
You do have to talk to us.
What did I do?
We believe you stuffed stuff in your purse and walked out of Dick's with it.
No, I have not. No, I have not. So do you have me on camera doing that?
We do.
Okay, can you show me?
We'll get to it.
Yeah,
Do you have your ID
eventually.
on you?
Do I have an ID on me?
We don't have to go that far.
Yes, we do have to go that far because I haven't took nothing. So therefore, can you show me on camera that I took something?
Here's where we're going to start. Do you have an ID on you?
No, I don't have ID on me.
Okay, what's your social?
For what?
I believe you shoplifted.
Am I being detained?
You are.
Yes, ma'am.
What am I being detained for?
For shoplifting. Theft.
What did I take?
We don't know yet. We got to figure.
Some green items.
Some green items?
Nike items.
No, I have not.
Okay. Well, you still have to tell me who you are.
Soon as I walked up, the lady was like, "Oh, are you paying for the hat?" I said, "The hat that I walked in here with."
Okay.
Why would I be paying for a hat that I walked in here with?
Okay.
I'm
Ma'am,
being profiled for what?
What's your social security number?
What am I being detained
You are
for?
being detained
Because of what?
Because of a theft or possible theft.
A possible theft. Did they see me take anything? Did you guys
That's
see
why we're here, ma'am.
Did you see me on camera?
That's why we're here. We just don't come here and talk to random people about
Okay,
this.
so this is how it can go.
I want to be cooperative, but I'm asking you. Did you see me on camera?
Being detained.
Okay.
We're investigating a theft. I need to know
Did
who
you
you
see me
are.
on camera take anything?
We'll get to that. I need to know who you are.
My name is Cameron.
Hun, cooperate with us. We'll cooperate with you. It's even if you did, it's a
I did
misdemeanor.
not.
We're not here. But if you don't work with us, we're not going to work with you. We've got a few options that we can do
I
here.
understand that, but sir, I did not. So the fact.
Okay, so listen to me. I'm not worried about that.
My
I don't even know about that.
Because that's what I'm thinking. You got something for a hat that I walked into the store with.
Right.
They didn't say anything to me. They didn't stop me. Hey, did you have any? They didn't say anything to me. So that's
Listen
why
to
I'm
me. That's
confused.
fine. We don't care about the hat. We don't
Okay.
care about the hat. Okay, this is all we're saying. We got information that you put some stuff in your purse
No.
from that changing room. You're on video of doing it. We're here to ask
I'm on
you
video
about
putting
it.
stuff in the change room. Is there are there cameras in the change room?
Not in the change room. Somewhere in there. Somewhere outside. I don't know.
I will let us see
But
it.
anyway,
Who were you at Dick's with today?
My boyfriend.
What's his name?
Why?
Slides.
where's he at?
Why?
Because we want to talk to him as well.
For what? Did he take
You
anything?
on the phone with him?
Did he take anything?
We're trying to figure
We'll let you know in a minute.
Well,
we're not with him right now. The other deputies are.
Okay, well, I no.
Go ahead and hang up the phone so we can talk to you, and you don't have to talk to two people.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Do you have anything in your purse that there shouldn't be?
No.
Do you mind if I look?
No.
Do you have anything stuck in your clothing?
No. If you can show me on camera that I took anything from out there, yes, I'm not doing that. We're not.
Copy. We're gonna have her detained. Step over here to my car with me, please.
For what?
We're not done here.
Let's go.
Hold
I'm
on.
trying to do this easy.
Okay, let me.
Okay, so at this point, you're not making calls. You're coming with us.
Can you call your supervisors?
I am the supervisor.
You're the supervisor.
I'm the supervisor.
And you're sitting up here telling me I'm detained because of what?
Because of theft, possible theft. That's what we're here investigating. We're trying to do this easy. I mean, we're not here to. We don't just come here and harass people. We don't even want to come here.
Right. But I'm trying to figure out why that's because. So
We're gonna need a female.
you guys.
Pat down.
You guys see the video and.
Go ahead with it.
What? Do I?
Cameron Patrice died, 24-year-old female out of Cincinnati. She's suspended showing out of Indiana to Mexico.
That's clear. What for?
Do I have anything as far as would they get in trouble for accusing me of something that I have not taken?
No. They get stolen from pretty often, and they're pretty good at this.
Okay, well that's them. But I'm
Here's
asking
what we're
you.
gonna do. We're gonna set your bag on the hood of my car, and you're gonna have a seat in the back of my car while we figure this out.
No, that's
You're
not.
being detained for right now.
What am I being detained for?
Because it looks like you have
But I
things stuffed in
haven't
your
touched
shirt.
You've got stuffed in your shirt
But I
and in your
haven't.
bag.
But you can't tell me that
Then
you.
prove it's.
Give me your bag.
Let us
You
see,
can't-
and we'll be done.
You can't. You didn't show me.
Give me this phone.
That's
Give
why
me your
you're
bag.
going to be detained.
Hold on, get
until
on
we
my-
Not pull away from me. Give me your
Why are you
bag.
taking my? This is wrong. Are we being recorded? Are you
Yes,
guys
the
cameras
cameras
on?
are on.
process. We're going to a process.
Okay, but this is
your
wrong.
bag
We're going to
off.
go in and verify the cameras right now. You're going to be detained until we're done. That's all we're doing.
Okay, so why are you taking my purse?
We're not taking your purse, but you can't go in the back of that cruiser with it. We
why
we wouldn't if you were a male with anything. You don't go in the back of a cruiser
So
with
why
anything.
do I have to sit in the car?
Because we got to go look at the video.
Why can't I come get the video with you?
That's our job, not yours.
I've never been through this ever to where they.
And we're trying to be real nice with you. I mean, we're not trying to be rude. If you just if there's nothing in that purse, let's see, we're done. We're done.
I've never been through this situation to
You're
where.
not answering the question. Okay. Give me your purse, and you're having a seat in the back of your car.
I'm going to look at the camera. Like I said, there's several ways we can do this.
Sir, can you not?
Do not pull away from
I'm not.
me.
Why you grabbing me like that?
I'm not grabbing you like
But
anything.
why are y'all taking my purse?
Your purse is
And
getting set up here.
okay,
You don't have anything on you, do you?
no, I don't have anything on me.
Like knives or anything?
No, not nice one. No, I don't.
Do you mind lifting your shirt up to make sure there's nothing in your
I don't have
waistband?
nothing. No, I don't have nothing.
All right. Excuse me.
Nothing. I don't understand how can y'all sit there and leave me in the car?
Well, if you would quit talking and listen to what we're saying to you, you would understand.
But
We have
what
to
is
move.
because I feel pro. Honestly, I feel pro-fat. I feel like it's racist. I came in there.
Well, it's none of that. I mean, no, we don't just come here to harass you.
I-
We didn't
I-
even know who you were until we walked in and the store pointed you out to us. So,
I understand that, supervisor.
so
But
have a seat in there, man.
I understand that's about.
Yes, ma'am.
So we're gonna have a female officer come here and she's gonna pat you down.
Okay, I understand that.
Is there anything on you that they're gonna find that is illegal?
No.
I.e. items that were taken and stuffed into your
Just
safe?
tell us now. I mean, because it's going to be a lot easier in the long run. We already know the answer, but we're trying to. If you
Sir.
cooperate with me, I'm going to cooperate with you.
Sir.
There's two ways this can go: jail, or I can give you a summons, a ticket for a misdemeanor, and then you can go to court whenever we assign you that date. What works best for you. If not, I can take you to jail. If you don't have anything on you, then you don't.
I do have. Okay, listen. I do have things from me, but it's not from this store.
Okay, what store is it from?
It's not from this store. It's not even from this mall.
Okay.
So that's
But why would you have it in there? And I don't understand that.
because that's from a barbecue.
To block the things that you walk through. And
No, I was
that
getting.
go off?
No, that's from a barbecue.
Did you pay for these items?
They're not from this store. So I was going up there trying to put things together. The lady even seen me.
Get back in the car.
I'm sorry. I apologize.
We know you're being nice. I know you're
The
nervous.
lady
We're
even-
trying to make this
the,
easy.
The
on you.
lady even seen me take them like.
The lady saw you put these in her purse.
No, not put it in my purse at all.
They have you on video putting these in your purse.
They don't have me on. I can promise you, they don't have me on video because I brought them in here with me.
Well, we're going to go in and verify that.
Step out and turn around and put your hands behind your
I'm
back.
going to go in there and see what we got.
Why are you? Why have handcuffs on me? He just said.
Yeah.
Why
Step
you put
out.
handcuffs on me? He just
Because
said.
you're lying.
Sir, I'm not. I promise you.
Step out here.
I promise you. If
Just put your hands behind your back, okay?
if you go in there and see the video, you'll see that I've not.
I have
not said nothing.
I have my partner in there right now looking at the video, and
Okay.
he just said that you're on video placing those items in your purse.
No, sir, I have not. I promise you.
But she didn't buy anything, correct?
No, her card kept on getting declined.
That female with the brown or burgundy shirt, she's on camera placing clothing items in her black bag.
But she does like hide hangers back here, which I actually think that she had pocketed.
She gave a sensor tag to one of our employees after she came out of the video and claimed it popped off. Yeah. I said,
You think that happened?
That didn't really happen.
Not suspicious at all.
Can I please say something? Please.
Sure.
I apologize. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I took some things, but all of the things were not from this location to be exact. So once the lady was like, "Oh, are you gonna pay for that? Are you gonna pay for that sun visor hat?" That's what threw me off about her. That's what made me was like, "Oh, okay, I'm about to just leave." So that's
2283.
Go ahead.
Where do you want Mason to meet you?
I'm at the lower parking garage of Dick's off of Blake Street.
Okay.
like I have two kids. I have to go get my daughter's from daycare at 5:30.
Okay.
Like,
Is your boyfriend here? What does he drive?
No, I literally tried to make that up as far as the whole.
Well, there was somebody here with you.
Yeah, but he was the son of a butcher.
To wait for you?
No, he left. He was like, I'm not. He said, I'm not.
Is that who you were on the phone with when we came up to you?
No, that was my sister.
Okay.
And I can show you that on my recent phone calls.
Have you ever been read your Miranda rights? I'd love to keep talking to you, but I can't talk to you anymore until I read these to you. Do you understand that? So I'm going to read these just to get it out of the way.
Okay.
I'm a police officer. I warn you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to consult a lawyer before any question. A lawyer present with you while you have any question. And if you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you free before any question, and they can stop talking to you. Please consult any question. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What? So you said you came in here with some of these, but not all of them. Which items did you take? Is it the green stuff?
The pink, the black one, the white one, and the pink one.
The black one, the white one, and the pink.
Yeah. Well, yeah. This one, this black one,
Okay.
and the white one and the pink one.
Where did these come from?
I was trying to get these. I was trying to match up with some shorts for them, but I didn't see the colors of the shorts.
So you're not going to be on video putting these in your purse?
No, they're not going to see me on video putting these in my purse at all. No. I don't know which.
Did you pay for anything in there? Or
I
did you just walk up to the cash register, saw us up there, and walk this way?
No, I was going to pay for it. She said it was $111, but my car declined. And I asked her if they have an ATM in there, and she said no, they don't have an ATM.
All right. Have a seat again, okay?
Yes. So,
Is there items in your shirt right now too?
I guess I have one item on my shirt right here on my bra.
Okay, leave it there.
Okay.
I'm going to have a female officer from Mason come here, and she's going to help you get that out, okay?
Okay.
I'm not going to do that with you, all right?
Okay.
Don't reach for it. Don't be pulling around.
I'm not doing any of that.
Okay. Watch your feet, all right?
I'm sorry.
Hey, dress.
Yeah.
He's going to verify if it came from here.
Okay.
If it didn't, then we got to wait till the officer gets here.
She's got more in her shirt. She said she for sure took these.
Those are ours. Just
For
pink
sure took
ones.
these. And then these are the same as the rest of them. So.
Yeah. All the Nike ones are from our table, yeah.
Can you get me a voided receipt for these items? Yes. Well, hold on.
We got to wait.
We'll come back.
There's more in there. Have you asked her
Thank
to?
you.
No, I didn't. Did you try to get her to give us what was in her shirt? Or she's refusing?
She said it's in there. I Miranda's her and she told me she stole it.
Okay.
I'm going to take her. Just
That's fine.
record if you're going to talk to her.
Yeah.
Okay, somebody.
So we're going to wait for the officer from Mason to pat you down, search you, get whatever else is on you. We're going to get a total for the items that we're taking. I'm going to collect the video. And then I'm going to talk to my sergeant about what we're going to do with you. Okay?
Okay, listen. Please listen.
I'm listening.
I understand. This is on camera, so I know. I'm my only support system. Like, I do have to go pick up my daughters from school at 4:30. Like this.
What school do they go to?
Nobody to be able to get them at all. Like, and I don't. Like, even if you guys take me to go get them, like, just to make sure they get to where they at. Like, I can't.
Who drove you here?
I had caught an Uber here.
Who were you? No, you didn't.
I
You were here with a male.
Yeah, yes.
That was your Uber?
No, I met him here. I literally met him here. I promise you. And I can call him right now and he'll tell you. And you can check the cameras on the outside. I met him here. I did meet him here. I did not. That's the honest truth. I'm tired of lying. Because my daughters need me. Like, and I promise you.
How many daughters do you have?
I have two.
How old
I
are
have
they?
a 6-year-old and a 3-year-old.
Okay.
And they attend Willow Tree Daycare. And I can call the daycare and so you can hear that they're there and they're
Do you have
present.
a good relationship with your mom or an aunt?
My mom, she's a flight attendant.
She's a flight attendant?
Yes.
That's pretty cool.
And she's out of the week. Like, I promise you, like, I'm sorry. I apologize. Like, this is for even being uncorroborated, but I knew I had to get them, and I just didn't want.
Well, you made it pretty difficult with the way that you behaved when we first talked to you.
I know, because I thought I was going to go to jail. I swear, I promise you, I thought that was why I didn't even this never happened to me. I didn't even know that this was.
Called back, but I didn't disregard that email. She actually went off duty at 1500.
Okay, can you call Westchester?
I didn't even know that this was an option. Like, to even.
Are you able to get that out with your handcuffs?
Yes. If you take my handcuffs off, I can get it out with my hands. I promise you. But I swear I didn't even know that this was an option.
There's nothing else in there but clothes. No weapons, nothing.
I promise you.
I'm gonna take this
You
off your hand.
Take my head off and my glasses.
Damn, you're missing an arm on your
Part of
finger.
glass.
Here, step out.
Okay.
They do not.
That's good. Is that it?
That's it.
All right. You can cover yourself back up. That works.
That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
Put your hands behind your back again, okay?
Okay.
We'll fix your shirt.
It's just the back out.
Yeah.
Oh, the front part. Sorry.
Yeah. All right, have a seat.
Okay.